Today I'm going to be reviewing Boost Oxygen. Now, why would you want oxygen in a can? Well, that's exactly what I said until I went to Colorado and we went up into the mountains. You might feel a little lightheaded. You might start getting a headache. Oxygen deprivation as you get higher. You got to acclimate to the higher altitude, less oxygen. So it's like whatever, BS. And then we started getting higher when we were driving out and getting higher and higher. And I started feeling those things, a little lightheaded, started getting a headache. I'm like, you know what, let me try it. And so whenever I had that feeling come on, I would just take this. You just hit the button, just like this. You take a quick breath of this, maybe 2 or 3. And it usually stopped anything from going any further. And I think that's the whole point of Boost Oxygen. Like I said, there's other uses that people can have. It's oxygen. We all, we breathe it every day. This is, I believe, 99.5% oxygen. So, I don't know what else to say other than it worked. It did exactly what it said, and it is a hot seller on Amazon. It gets 4.4 stars, which is what I normally like to see. That's the lowest I like to see, so it's got that. It's got over 18,000 reviews, and it's a #1 bestseller. I mean, again, I think it works really well. I even have a dent in there. I dropped it. But anyways, it works if you need oxygen, whether it's because you're going up into the mountains or from some other reason. This works. What else can I say? I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.